advanced machinery technology. A modern cooking oil production line. Hello, my friends. Are you ready to explore this exciting journey with us? Today, join us to learn more about the process from sunflower seeds to cooking oil. Step into the realm of agricultural innovation with the groundbreaking Maestro 16SX by Horsch. This modern seed drill covers vast areas effortlessly with its 16-meter working width, ensuring precise and uniform seed planting. Equipped with advanced technology like GPS and section control, it maximizes efficiency while remaining user-friendly. Experience convenience and efficiency like never before with the Maestro 16SX. Achieving a 4-ton yield of sunflowers amidst drought conditions poses a formidable challenge for farmers. Merely purchasing fertilizer isn't enough. The key lies in effective absorption. Thankfully, fertilizer irrigation machines have emerged as steadfast allies for farmers. Leveraging advanced and precise technologies, these machines enable farmers to meticulously regulate fertilizer distribution, ensuring optimal utilization and resource efficiency. Are you enchanted by sunflowers? Beyond their vibrant allure, these blooms hold a trove of essential nutrients, particularly in their seeds. Sunflower seeds, a summer's bounty, are rich in unsaturated fatty acids, notably oleic and linoleic acids, which promote cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol and boosting HDL cholesterol. Additionally, they're a potent source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that safeguards cells from damage and combats aging. In essence, sunflower seeds aren't just a snack, they're a powerhouse of wellness, embodying the essence of summer's vitality in each bite. Dive into the future of sunflower harvesting with Class's groundbreaking machine. As the season peaks, farmers anticipate the harvest. But Oksana, a farmer in southern Ukraine, faced a dilemma until she discovered this technological marvel. With the machine's arrival, Oksana and her family eagerly embarked on a journey of exploration. Then, on a picturesque autumn day, they put it to the test in her sunflower field. What they witnessed was sheer magic. The machine's speed and precision were mesmerizing, transforming what would have been days of grueling work into a matter of mere hours. Oksana stood in awe of the abundant harvest before her, a testament to the incredible strides in agricultural innovation. unbelievable. Before my eyes, this colossal contraption has devoured swathes of sunflower fields in mere moments. As the machine roared to life, I felt its raw power reverberate through the air. From afar, I watched in awe as it effortlessly hoisted tons of sunflowers, its blades slicing through the stalks with precision. Designed with meticulous attention to efficiency, this marvel of modern engineering seamlessly integrates advanced technologies. Its autonomous operation is a symphony of speed and intelligence, captivating my gaze. Post-harvest, a mountain of sunflowers rests with the machine's container, a testament to the Case IH 9250's unrivaled prowess in the field. My admiration for the minds behind this innovation knows no bounds. Have you ever heard of the SK5 legendary machine? It's not your average flower harvester. It's a masterpiece crafted by Neva's top talents. With unmatched advantages, it's reshaping efficiency and transforming harvests. The legendary Neva SK5 glides effortlessly across any terrain, making harvesting a breeze. But its real magic lies in the advanced tech it houses. Intelligent sensors and automatic controls ensure precision, orchestrating a flawless harvest. Beyond its mechanics, the SK5 embodies triumph and unity among farmers, earning a special place in their hearts as a symbol of success in the fields. Have you spotted these eye-catching sunflower harvesters? They're a hot topic among farmers everywhere. Do you know the name of this machine? Feel free to drop your insights in the comments below to enlighten us all. If you're fascinated by the craftsmanship of these machines, please comment number 1. Embark on a journey through the art of crafting premium sunflower oil. In the modern landscape of production, efficiency and excellence converge in the extraction process. Advanced technologies drive seamless automation as sunflower seeds undergo compression to yield their precious oil effortlessly. Once extracted, the oil undergoes a meticulous journey of purification, refinement, and filtration. Through innovative techniques like hydro-refining and chemical processes, the sunflower oil emerges as a testament to quality, meeting global standards with finesse. Explore the artistry of sunflower oil processing at Sloboda. precision temperature and pressure control, sunflower seeds are gently roasted and pressed to extract pure oil. Meticulous filtering and refining ensure a product of unparalleled aroma and flavor, making Slobada sunflower oil a top choice for discerning cooks. Ever heard of the factory specializing in exquisite camellia oil? They begin by harvesting tea plant seeds, which are carefully dried and deshelled to reveal camellia seeds. These seeds are then ground into powder and pressed to extract pure camellia oil, packed with nutrients for skincare and beyond. After extraction, the oil undergoes rigorous filtration and is stored under optimal conditions, adhering to strict quality standards to ensure top-notch quality and safety for users.